The holidays are coming, and let's be real, most people's wallets are about to get wrecked. Every year surprise expenses pop up and suddenly you're wondering where all your money went. But what if, instead of just spending, you could actually make money this holiday season? Today, I'm giving you the ultimate financial cheat code. 3 powerful ways to stack extra cash before Christmas. Plus, I'll show you how to give awesome gifts without going broke. Ready to win the holidays? Let's go. First up, the local holiday helper hustle. This is the fastest way to make money right now. During the holidays, everyone's overwhelmed. You can cash in by solving their problems, offer to wrap gifts, hang Christmas lights, run errands, or shovel driveways. People will pay for convenience. Gift wrapping? Charge $20 for the first 10 gifts, then $1 each after. Hanging lights? $50 to $200 per house. Errands? $15 a trip. Pet sitting is another gold mine. $40 to $60 a night while families travel. How do you find clients? Post your services on Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, and local groups. Make a simple graphic. Holiday helper for hire. Show off your skills on Instagram or TikTok with a quick video. Use local hashtags to get noticed. The key you'll waste. You're selling people their time back. They'll pay a premium for it. Bundle services for discounts. Wrap gifts and hang lights for a special price. Be professional. Respond fast. Be reliable. And show up early. Good service means referrals. Let's do the math. Wrap gifts for 2 hours, $40. Hang lights on one house, $100. Run 3 errands, $45. That's $185 in a few days. Repeat weekly and you could make $700 plus before Christmas. Startup costs? Almost nothing. Wrapping paper from the dollar store. Borrow a ladder. Use your phone. Action plan. List 5 to 10 services, make a post, share it everywhere, and respond quickly. You could have your first paying customer within 24 hours. While others stress about holiday bills, you'll be stacking cash and solving problems. Don't overthink it. The demand is huge and growing as Christmas approaches. Be the person who helps and gets paid. Ready for the next money move? Let's talk about flipping holiday treasures. Next up, the holiday flipping play. This is for anyone who loves a good deal. Find cheap or free holiday items, clean them up, and resell for profit. Thrift stores, Goodwill, clearance aisles, and Facebook Marketplace are your gold mines. Example: people give away artificial Christmas trees for free. Pick one up, fix it, take a great photo, and sell for $50 to $100. Ornaments? Buy a box for $5, sort and repackage. Sell as a color-themed set for $25. Outdoor inflatables with tiny holes. Patch for $3, flip for $60. Toys, on clearance, buy for $10, sell for $40 when stores run out. Winter jackets and boots, find name brands at thrift stores for $15, clean them, and sell for $60 plus. Facebook Marketplace's free section is a treasure trove, especially for seasonal items. Real example, in one weekend flip a free tree, $80, thrifted ornaments, $25, and a clearance toy, $30, that's $135 profit. Do this every weekend in December and you could make $500 plus. The secret: great photos and honest descriptions. Clean items, use good lighting, and mention any flaws. Start with $20, reinvest profits, and scale up to bigger flips. Stores want to clear out inventory, people want to declutter. Perfect for you to profit. Your mission: spend 30 minutes today at a thrift store or on Marketplace. Find one item to flip, list it, and make your first sale. Once you get that first win, you'll be hooked. Ready to make money while you sleep? Let's go digital. Now for the digital Christmas quick win. Make money while you sleep with digital products. Create simple downloads, gift trackers, holiday planners, kids' activity sheets, or digital Christmas cards. Use Canva's free templates, no design skills needed. Example: make a 1-page holiday gift tracker PDF, or a 10-page kids' Christmas activity pack. Sell on Etsy or Gumroad. Set your price: $3 for a tracker, $5 for an activity pack. When someone buys, they get an instant download. You do nothing. That's passive income. Promote your product with a quick TikTok or Instagram reel. Use trending sounds and link directly to your shop. If your video goes viral, you could get hundreds of sales overnight. Do the math. Sell a $7 planner, 10 a day. Shocks a 70-day, 490 week, from one product. Think about holiday problems, money stress. Make a budget printable, need meal ideas, make a meal planner, cute gift tags, design a printable sheet, bundle products for more value, offer a Christmas organizer bundle for $15, startup cost, 0. Canva is free, Etsy and Gumroad only take a small cut per sale. Once you learn this, you can make digital products for every holiday. Valentine's, Easter, summer, and more. Your mission: open Canva, create a simple Christmas template, and set up a free Etsy or Gumroad account. Upload your product. Even if you don't sell right away, you've built a digital asset that can earn for you 24/7. Spend one weekend making 5 to 10 products, list them, and let your digital store work in the background while you hustle elsewhere. This is how you stack income streams and change your financial future. There you have it, 3 ways to turn the holidays into your most profitable season ever. You don't need a huge salary to give great gifts or enjoy Christmas. You just need a plan. Be strategic, not cheap. Take control of your money and make the season work for you. Use these hustles to make quick cash, flip treasures, and build passive income. Don't start January with regret. Start it ahead. Protect your money, give amazing gifts, and build something that lasts into next year. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more smart money ideas, and share it with friends who want to win this holiday season too. Let's make next year even better. Together.